How to find apps with the most storage usage in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. After clicking on iPhone storage, then here you can see the option size. Now click on size and then click on last used data, name and size. Now click on size and here you can see most storage usage app, photos, TikTok, CapCut. Now simply click on app and here you can empty your app. Now go back and open app and here you can offload your app and delete your app. So this is the way to find apps with the most storage usage in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.